Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to go over a few of my trades from today. This morning I traded NIO. I thought it was putting in a bottom right here. It had quite a bit of volume come down and test this previous day, the previous day low, and I thought it was going to reverse and go back up and test the VWAP. And so I went long. And so my first profit target was this 9 moving average on the 5-minute, and it never did reach it. But once it went up through these moving averages on the 1-minute, I went ahead and instead of taking quick partial, I went ahead and placed my stop at break even just in case it came back down, and decided to go take another leg down, mainly because, well, I'm trying to really work hard on holding before I take that first partial, because I do that a lot. And this one, I wasn't sure about it continuing to go up and test the VWAP. So I'd rather get stopped out at break even and then re-enter the trade if I saw that it was going to continue to go up, than to even risk my full amount. So that was NEO this morning. Then mRNA, I started watching this stock a little bit later, and it was, I took this as one of Amon's parabolic reversals. It was very extended on the 5-minute chart, and the volume came in, and as you can see on this 2-minute candle, it threw up a really nice indecision candle with a really large wick, and then it made an engulfing on the 1-minute. And so when it made a low, made a new low, I went short. And Amon talks about his parabolic reversals as being more of a, think about it more of as a pullback. And that's one of the reasons I took pretty heavy first partial, because your risk to reward is really great on these. They're a lot of fun to trade. So when I see the perfect opportunity to take one, I love this strategy. But once I took my first partial at this not below this 9 moving average on the 1-minute, I set my stop loss at break even, so it came back and it stopped me out. But then I saw it setting up as another reversal that I really love, and it was kind of putting in a head and shoulders right here, and it couldn't make a new high. And so when this 9 and 20 started curling down, I went short. I thought they were about to cross, but instead it came back up one more time. Still couldn't make a new high, so I stayed in the position. My stop loss was right above these candles right here on the 1-minute. So right here, as you can see, they did cross and they went down. And my first profit target was this 9 moving average on the 5-minute. And then the remaining partials I took at different moving averages on the 1 and the 5-minute. And right here, you can see that the volume came in again, heavy volume, and it was right here below this 100 moving average and the 200 on the 1-minute. So I partialed pretty heavy here because it just gave me kind of a signal that it could turn around. My hopes were that it was going to come up. It was going to come up to this 50 moving average, and then this was going to create a resistance, and I was going to add to my position for to get down to the VWAP. But that did not happen, so I was stopped out at break even. But that's it. Those were my trades, and I hope you all had a great Tuesday, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.